viewers, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's me Mohammed from MAS-CodeTech, and today we are going to learn how to use classes in CSS. Make sure to like, share and subscribe this video and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's hop right into the video. We're right here in the Visual Studio Code, and today we will learn how to use classes in CSS. So I over here wrote 3 different sentences about Ada Lovelace, and let's open it up in Live Server. So right click, open with Live Server. So right here I colored the text. So I colored the first one blue, header 1 blue, and then I colored the header 2 green, and then finally I colored the paragraphs red. But these 3 are different paragraphs, like 3 different paragraphs, and I used paragraph for each of them. So I want all of them to be different colors. So for example, I want this one to be red, this one to be, let's say, blue, and this one to be green. Yeah, we're gonna use the same colors, but there's no problem. So right here I want these 3 sentences to be different colors, and this is where classes comes in. So let's go head back to our code. There we go, and go to our style CSS area, and this is where I colored all of them. Yeah, so now we're going to go back to HTML file, and right here next to the paragraph, let me zoom in a little. Oh no, it doesn't let me zoom in. So yeah, as you can see here, these are my sentences, paragraph sentences. Now I will change, you see the first paragraph. Now right here we're going to type in class equals quotation marks and then the name of the color or any name you prefer. So I'm just going to write red because I want this one to be red, and then do the same to the next ones, but we don't change these ones, the one with the slash. We don't change those ones, we just change the first ones. So yeah, let me change these one. Class equals, let's make this one purple. No, actually blue. Yeah, blue. And then the last one is going to be green. So class equals quotation mark green. Now what do we go back to here, and then we just simply copy this code and paste it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and right here we change this to P. So we just made a class, so P dot the name of the class. So I put red here, and then let's put dot green, no, blue, and then the last one is green, dot green. So let's change the colors now. Let me change this one to blue. Wait, the color thing isn't working. Let me restart this. Oh yeah, it worked. Wait, what's wrong with it? Yeah, it worked. We just have to put it on the, I was clicking it. So yeah, right here we're going to change this one to blue, that one, and then the last one to green. So there we go. Now let's check if it worked. Yup. Oh no, that shows a different color, so let's change it to a darker one. So yeah, that's better. Now let's restart. No, it's not working. Let's see what the mistake. Oh, we put space in the between. We don't put a space. So let's go back, refresh, and there we go. It's working. This is how you use classes in CSS. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'll see you next time.